So check 1 2 check. Check 1 2. Okay. So have you opened any sheet?
Yeah,
Okay, let me see. Anna, Ashwik, Kian, Meher, your name is not coming. Why?
No.
So have you opened the sheet as well?
Yes, I have.
Okay, what is the question?
Solve J1 2 J square minus 7J minus 9 is equal to 0.
Okay, just wait. Maths. Yes, tell me. What is the question?
Solve for J when 2J square minus 7J minus 9 is equal to 0.
Is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to factorize this. And how to factorize this? Have I told you how to factorize?
Yeah,
So first you have to multiply this 2 and minus 9, right? These two numbers you have to multiply. So when you multiply them, you will get 2 minus 3 and 3. These are the numbers which can be multiplied to form this. Okay, I did the prime factorization. Now you have to think of two numbers. You have to think of the two numbers which when multiplied to give you this, and subtraction on subtraction it gives 7. So the answer is minus 9 and plus 2. You can see this. If you multiply these two, you will get minus 9 and plus 2. So you will break down this minus 7 into two parts, that is minus 9j plus 2j minus 9 is equal to 0. Understood? This is the first step. This is the first step. Then what you can take common from these two? So you can take j common, so you will get 2j minus 9. Okay, and in the second bracket you will write again 2j minus 9. Now how 2j minus 9 will be formed? By taking 1 common. So now this will become j plus 1 into 2j minus 9 is equal to 0. So this equation, which was a quadratic equation, is formed by multiplying two linear, and your task is to find the two linear factors. So from here what you will get? So j will be either equal to minus 1 or it will be 9 by 2. Understood? Do it. Do it. You want to write any steps?
It's 1 minute, let's see.
Yeah. See, the main thing in this is to factorize, to split the middle term. This is the main thing. You have to split the middle term. That is the main thing. If you have learned how to do the splitting of the middle term, the question is yours. You can easily solve it. The main thing is to find this middle term. And how to split the middle term? For this, I told you, first you need to multiply the A and C. And then you do the prime factorization of those numbers. And then between those numbers, suppose instead of this 7, if it is, so what are the possible numbers you can make out of 18? Tell me, minus 18. So it can be written as 18 into minus 1. It can be written as 9 into minus 2. It can be written as 6 into minus 3. It can be written as, so these are the possible numbers, I think. Only three factors we have: 18, 1, 9, 2, 6, 3. Out of all these three numbers, if it is, suppose if it is 19, then you could have thought of, if it is 17, you could have thought of 18 and minus 1. If this was 3, then you could have thought of 6n minus 3. Then the answer would have been changed. Are you getting it? So these numbers splitting depends on B and the multiplication of A and C. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So now Ila has opened. Okay, see the first question. In the first question itself, you got 70 marks.
No.
Yeah, it has given you 70 marks.
Oh, I know.
Okay. Okay, second question. Tell me how you are going to break this. 3j square minus 8j plus 5.
And first multiply 3 and 5.
Very good.
So that's 15.
Very good.
And
Don't multiply them, just do the prime factorization. So the two numbers which you have is 5 and 3. Tell me the two numbers whose addition will give you 8.
3 and 5.
But those two numbers has to be minus 3 and minus 5 because it is minus 8. Okay. So what you will do? So you will write 3j square minus 3j minus 5j plus 5 is equal to 0. Alright. Then what you can take common? So you can take 3j common. So in bracket you will get j minus 1, and again in the second bracket you should have j minus 1. Please ensure this. In both the brackets you should have the same thing. Now tell me, this j should be multiplied by which number to make it minus 5j? So the answer is minus 5. So you can take minus 5 common.
So, okay, yeah.
So you will have 3j minus 5 into j minus 1. So that means j is equal to 5 comma 1. Alright. Do it.
So it's 5 by 3.
What 5 by 3?
It's like 5 by 3 and 1, not 5 and 1.
The answer is changed. Okay, yeah, 5 by 3 and 1. Sorry. 3j minus 5.
I submitted it already.
My mistake. But you understood how we have to do. It is 5 by 3. So don't just copy. Okay. Sorry, my bad. So did you found the two numbers?
Yeah, minus 1 and 45.
Very good.
So that becomes. How do I make
So between these two you can take common s. So 3s minus 1 plus 15, 3s minus 1.
So s minus 15.
So s is equal to minus 15 comma 1 by 3.
Yeah. No, I typed it wrong.
Again it is wrong?
No,
Submitted?
instead of 1 by 3 became 13.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's not an issue. You could have corrected in the examination. It is not a final submit. It's okay. That accident, it's fine. But you should know the concept. That's it. So next question.
36 plus 1.
Yes, most of the times you will get the same kind of numbers, so that you should focus. Okay, we can do that way as well, because most of the students don't do using those numbers. So if nothing can be taken common, you can take plus 1 common.
Yeah, so minus 12 then 1 by 3.
Minus 1 by 3, I think.
Plus 3, yeah.
So once you get 50 marks, how many you got?
64.
64, because you have done some incorrect questions.
Yeah.
So just do 2-3 more questions.
Okay.
3 more questions. Let's do 3 more questions. So what are the two numbers? Again, you will get minus 38 and minus 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when there's no C, the constant, what do I,
What?
when there's no, like, you said ABC, right? So when there's no C, what do I do?
So in that you can take x common easily. Are you to the next question?
Yeah.
So you can take n common. So it is very easy, n plus 9. So one of the n is 0 and minus 9. It's so easy.
Uh, how do I don't have a fact. It's 400.
400. Come on. 2020. Yaar.
Oh, yes.
You have to find between those two numbers only.
Yeah.
See how to find it. So once you factorize 400, see, you should not have done like this. Why you multiplied? I told you not to multiply. So 50 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5, right?
Yeah.
and 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So between these two numbers you can find 5 into 4 is 20 and 5 into this 4 is also 20. So 20 and 20 is 40. Always do like this. Don't multiply them. Just write them in the form of multiplication and immediately break it down to the prime factorization.
Okay. But again, when there's like no
Hmm?
there's no C. I'll just do V by A, right? Basically.
If you don't have C,
Minus no 50 by
50 by 8, so you have to do plus minus. Plus minus, yeah, 50 by 8 is 25 by 4. So plus minus 5 by 2. You will get two solutions. These kind of questions in which you don't have C, you can write like this: G square is equal to 50 by 8, which can be further break it down to 25 by 4, right?
yeah.
So G will be equal to plus minus 5 by 2. Because whole square of minus and plus both are same only. So if you have a question like G square is equal to 4, don't ever write G is equal to 2. No, G is not equal to 2. G is equal to plus minus 2.
So because I write both, so
Yeah, both are solutions. So minus 5 by 2 comma plus 5 by 2. You have to use the comma.
yeah.
So are you able to do it now, or you want to do some more practice?
I started this on this.
Okay. So tell me the two numbers. First let me know
And minus 12.
what are the numbers.
Minus 1, 12.
12 into 1, okay, 12 into 1 is 12 beta. Here we have 36.
Oh, okay, no, it's
The number is given in front of you only. 9 and 4 is 13.
minus 4, minus 9. Right now.
Minus 4 and minus 9. So I think Z is equal to 1 comma 9 by 4.
Yeah, it is.
Wonderful. So now I hope you can do all kind of these kind of questions. Let's move to the next sheet. Okay.
Complete square.
So you were doing Z3. I want you to start with Z4 now.
Yeah.
And please complete this in your free time. Z4.
How do I complete this?
Means after the class, when you have free time.
No, not that, sir. The question, the next question. It's
Okay.
complete a square.
Okay, so okay, so it's not showing me the first question. Okay, fine. So I thought that I taught you this. So I will just play with some exercise. Tell me, what is x plus 2 whole square?
X square plus 2.
Come on, x square plus 2. This is.
No, not 2. Not
Oh
What?
my God! You haven't been taught identities.
I did. I just.
What is a plus b whole square? Come on, what is a plus b whole square?
No, A square plus B square is 2AB. No, I don't know where it is.
So that's what I'm asking you. What is x
Yeah.
plus 2 whole square? So x square plus 4x plus 4.
Yeah.
Tell me, what is 2x plus 3 whole square?
4x square plus
So
6x
2,
plus
no, don't say 6x. You will say 2 into 2x into 3 plus 3 square, right? This is what you want to say?
Yeah.
A square plus 2ab plus b square. Suppose I erase this part. I erase this part and I ask you, I have 4x square. So instead of 4x square, I will write 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3. What should I add more so that it becomes a whole square?
I have 3 square.
3 square, okay? Okay, suppose I erase this and convert this into 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12x. Then what should I add and how you will think? What should I add and how you will think? That's the question. So first thing you have to do is you have to divide this by 2. No, I am teaching you first. I am teaching you, don't worry. So first thing you have to do is you have to divide this by a. Whatever you have a. So how much you have now? 6. Now you have to divide this by 2. Why you have to divide this by 2? Because the formula is 2 into a into b. So that means you are dividing this by 2 into a. And 2 is making it 6 and a is making it 3. So you will add 3 square and you will subtract 3 square. Are you getting it? Because you can't add just by yourself. You have to add and subtract. Do both the things. Can you tell me the question, beta? Can you tell me the question? What the question is there?
P square minus 8p plus.
What? A square?
P square.
P square.
Yeah. No, T.
T square. Then?
Minus 8t.
Minus 8t.
Then plus blank.
Blank. So are you being given some options? No.
Yeah. No, I don't.
Yes or no? No?
No.
You have to fill, right?
Yeah.
You tell me, beta, what should I add so that it becomes a whole square?
4. 2.
Okay. You have to.
Wait, 1 minute. It's going to be.
It's going to be 4 square.
Yeah.
So you have to add 16. Just type 16 there. So you can't see the first question. So just type 16. If it is incorrect, then I will see it.
It's not.
Okay. Now I can see all the questions. Complete the square. Fill in the number that makes the polynomial the whole square a quadratic, right? It's a beautiful question. Now tell me what should you add so that it becomes a whole square?
49.
Wonderful, beta. Wonderful. Really happy.
Oh,
Then this one.
161. 69.
Correct. 169.
196.
So fast.
What?
What happened?
How is this A 41 by 4?
Because it is 29. If you do the half of this,
It's, yeah, okay.
29 by 2 only.
I have 26 okay, myself. No problem.
So it is 23. So you will write 529 by 4. You have to remember the squares up to 30. If you know up to 30, I can make you remember up to 100. This one. Now easy.
Yeah.
So here what will be the answer? 1 by 4.
Oh, yeah.
So here it will be 25 by 4.
So why?
Huh?
How
Yeah.
would you 25?
Sorry, my fault. 25 only. What a blunder I am doing.
100?
25 only.
No, sir, I don't know. I finished the question after that. It's not.
Okay. Refresh to show 2 new questions answered. Okay, you are ahead. I think you will complete this 100. So Tanmay is still doing. Yeah. Illa. 23 questions answered. 23 into 4 is 92.
Yeah.
Completed. Start the next one. So Z5.
Yeah.
What is the first question?
Solve by completing the square. So
Okay.
p square minus 4p is equal to 19.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's learn how to solve it. So what you can do is, you can write p square minus 4p. Tell me what should I add so that it becomes a whole square?
You have 4.
Very good. So 4 should be added on the other side as well. You can add only on this side. So you will get For p square minus 4p plus 4 is equal to 23. So that means p minus 2 whole square is equal to 23, right?
Yeah.
So p minus 2 will be equal to plus minus under root 23.
Yeah.
So p will be equal to 2 plus minus under root 23. So you have to write 2 minus root 23, comma 2 plus root 23. Both of them.
I don't have the option for root.
Because I can't see the question. Can you tell me what's the question? So I think
Difference between solve by completing the square and that, then write an answer is an integer, proper and improper fraction, simplest form, or decimal rounded in this hundreds.
okay. So we need to find the value of root 23 using the calculator. So tell me what is the value of root 23?
4.79.
4.79. So your answer should be 2 plus 4.79 and 2 minus 4.79. How many decimal places the answer will end?
100. So it's 2.
I hope the next number is not greater than 5.
It's 5, right? And then so 4.8.
Yes. So 2 plus 4.8 and 2 minus 4.8. So the answer is 6.8 comma minus 2.8. Just check it.
That's right.
Correct. Okay, wow. I didn't expected it to be correct because the calculator may vary different values. I don't know, but IXL is such a wonderful platform that you put the values in a proper way. I think it's a wonderful program. Wonderful. Well done. So the answer is actually 6.80 and minus 2.80. That's okay. Both the answers are correct only. You can see here.
Yeah.
Ila answered this and the correct answer is this. Wonderful. Let's do the next question. Now see, after the first question, the sheet is open now. So now it's not required that you solve it by completing the square, but why they are telling you? Because in this you will not be able to find two numbers. If you prime factorize 37, it is 37 and 1. So can you now find two numbers by splitting the middle term to make it 22? Never ever. You can never find. So in that case, what do you have to do? You can do it by completing the square. So how do we do it by completing the square? Tell me in this case. So let me mark it on the other page. Yes. So tell me, k square plus 22k. So what should I add?
121.
And what should I subtract?
121.
Okay. So this will become k plus 11 whole square. And what this will go on the other side? What it will become? Tell me.
Minus 84.
Huh? Come on.
No,
Plus 84. Yes. Plus 84. Right. Now k plus 11 will become what? So plus minus under root of 84. And out of under root 84, you can take out 2 root 21. Because 84 can be written as 4 into 84 and out of 4 I took 2 outside. So k will be equal to minus 11 plus minus 2 root 21. So I wanted to find the value of root 21 up to 3 places of decimals? Please let me know first.
4.58.
4.58. So I hope the next number is not more than 5.
It's not.
Okay, so you have to multiply this by 2. Tell me how much you will get.
That's 9.16.
You are doing on the calculator or just by your mind?
Mind.
No, that I can also use. I want you to do on the calculator. Okay.
9.16.
9.16. Okay. Let's not take the risk on these questions.
9.17.
17?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, it's 165.
Okay, so it is 17 now. So now you have to do 11 plus 9.717. So add 11 to it.
20.17.
So that's your first answer. And subtract 11 from it.
Minus 2.17.
I think wait. I think it will be minus 20.17.
And plus.
No, not plus 2, minus 2 only. Minus 1.83, I think.
So minus 11 plus.
I think it will be 1.83. It will be minus 20.17 and minus 1.83. Are you getting it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. The answer is correct?
Yes.
Wow, that's so nice. So the correct answer is minus 1.83 and 20.17. See, don't take risk by using your mind. Take the help of the calculator. I think in your board calculator is allowed for these kind of questions.
And it is.
See, if it is not allowed, then you should answer your question in the root form. Okay, because in CBSE board the calculators are not allowed, so we write the answers in the normal form. See, they are not asking us to find the values of under root. It is not a question of under root and solving a square root. That's a different topic. Square and square roots is a different topic to find the square root. This is a question of quadratic. So I think the fair use of calculator is allowed here. So please make use of it. Okay, and do as fast as you can. The only mind you have to apply is, if you are writing the answer in the 2 places of decimals, you have to ensure that the third digit is less than 5. So let me see if you can do 2 questions from your own mind. This question from your own.
So after I find
What?
after I find the square of the number that's missing, like
Yes.
do I add it to like the 13 or like inside the
Okay.
7 square?
Okay, tell me, what is the first step that you did?
I found out that it's plus 9.
So you have to add 9 on both the sides.
Yeah.
So it is z plus 3 whole square is
Yeah.
equal to 22. then do the square root.
Okay.
So z plus 3 is equal to plus minus under root 22. So z will be equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 22. All right.
For the next question, minus 2 goes outside, right?
Wait, let me check. So solve by completing the square. So first we have to divide it by minus 2 beta.
Yeah.
Either divide it by minus 2 or multiply the whole equation by minus 2. So that it becomes a 4f square. Either make it 4f square or make it f square. See, you can't have the negative coefficient of f square. Okay. So either multiply the whole equation by minus 2 or just divide the whole equation by minus 2 and then do the same thing that you were doing in the previous questions. It's a wonderful question.
And when you say multiply the whole thing, including the result?
Yeah, you see, when you are multiplying an equation, every part has to be multiplied. You can't do anything on the just left hand side and where the right hand side will go. You have to be fair. You have an equation in front of you. Suppose there is some of your friend came to your house. So you are having something and your friend is having something. Your mom came and giving it to you only. Will it be justified? Your friend will say, okay, what kind of mom is she? She is only giving everything to her own child. I've also came in the same home. So I have to be fair in the equation. You can be unfair personally, but when you are solving an equation, you have to be the fairest person in the world.